What are the key concepts in Docker? So Docker image is a read-only template or blueprint we use to create containers which contain the application and its dependency. Images are read-only used to create container built from Docker file. You can pull images from Docker Hub, which is a public repository, or create your own using the Docker file. It includes the application code, runtime library, dependency and configuration. Image used in the Python app may include Python version, app code and required libraries. Please subscribe my YouTube videos for more update related to the interview question. This is an important question which has been asked in the Geo, so I have want to make a complete series of video so you will understand the concept in theoretical as well as practical. So it is very beneficial for you to go to this lecture. Container, it shares the host OS color, which is making them fast and lightweight as compared to the traditional virtual machine. It is isolated from other container and the host system but can communicate to the defined channel. It is a runtime instance of image. Running the program inside the container does not affect the external or outside system. Docker file is a text file which contains the set of instructions to build a Docker image. It defines the base image, copy file, install dependency and set run command. Docker Hub, it is a cloud-based registry where you can find and share container images, pull out images or push out your custom images for order to use. So this is the tutorial I have designed you to understand about container, Docker file, Docker Hub, and so these are the concepts which you need to know, understand this component of a Docker. So you go to this point, keep a note in it, so which will helpful for revision. Volumes, it is used to restrict data generated outside the container or used by the container. It is useful when the data will survive container with restart or destruct. Data or volume can be shared between the container. Network, it provides internal or virtual network so the container can communicate with each other. You can define different types of network for the complex setup like bridge, host or overlay, or by default Docker use the bridge network. You can create a custom network to connect the multiple networks, circulate backend and database can communicate through the shared Docker network. So these are the points you should know about the volumes and the networks which help you establishing a concept between the Docker. So you go to this point, please write this point in the diary which is useful for you to build a concept. So Docker Compose is a tool where you can define and manage multi container application. Use a single YAML file which is Docker Compose, and Node.js app and MongoDB are running together using the Docker Compose. It is well suited or perfect for the local development work. It supports running app with more than services like web database and caches. Please subscribe my YouTube channel for more videos and concept. Thank you for watching.